Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make white tempered rice. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 cups of cooked rice. I'm using leftover basmati rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 small onion which I have thinly sliced, 2 cloves of garlic which I have chopped in small pieces, salt to taste, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 dry chilies which I have broken in half, and half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds. Place a wok or fry pan on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and wait until it starts to pop. Add onions, curry leaves, chilies and garlic. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes. Add rice and 1 teaspoon of salt. Take the water in your palm and sprinkle it on top of the rice. Mix it well, cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and transfer it into a dish. My white tempered rice is ready and you can serve it on its own or with some cooked yogurt or buttermilk, tomato chutney, pickle, dal or any curry of your choice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.